In this video, we will learn about loops in Python. So loops execute a block of code and this code executes while the condition is true. So loops works in the same way like in C, C++, Java. Okay, so here in Python, we'll be discussing about while loop and for loop. So in while loop, the block of code executes only when the condition is true. Okay, so here in the syntax, till the condition is true, this while will execute. After that, the execution will stop. Okay, and for loop is used when you want to set how many times a statement is to be executed. That means herein we have our for loop. Okay, this decides that how many times a statement will execute. So here in the sequence can be a list, tuple, dictionary, a set or a string. So the for loop is used for iterating over this sequence. Okay, so the where basically is a variable that takes the value of the item inside the sequence on each iteration. So we will learn about this using example. Let's see. So here is our PyCharm ID. Let us create a new project, file, new project. Let me give it a name, Python loops. I'll click on create. Okay, now let us create a new project, right click, Python file. Let me give it a name demo. It's on Python file. When I'll press enter, it will convert to demo.py. So at first I'll work around while loop in Python. Let's see. So I'll take a variable and will initialize it to 0. I'll use while loop. So within that I have added a condition. Till the condition is true, this loop will execute. Okay. And whatever will be inside it, whatever statement will get printed. Okay, so let me print it. So it will print the value of a on each iteration, and this will increment the value of a after every looping iteration. Okay, so right click and run it. Let's see what is visible. The following is visible. Okay, initially the value of a was 0, so this loop will execute till the condition, that is at first 0 is less than 3, it will go inside it and it will print 0. After that 0 will get incremented to 1. Now a is 1. After increment it will check again, 1 is less than 3, so it will go inside here again. It will print the value of 1. Then it will increment and now the value of a will be 2. It will go again here, 2 is less than 3, yes. So it will print the value of a, that is 2. Okay, after that it will increment it again. Now the value of a is 3. It will execute again, 3 less than 3, no. So it will exit the loop. Therefore, these values are visible. So through this you can easily work in a while loop. Now let us see a for loop. For that I'll just create a new file, new Python demo2. Okay, press enter. Now let us work around for loop in Python. So for loop in Python is used when you can set how many times a statement is to be executed. Okay, let me print something using for loop. Let's say I want to print each and every word of a name. So here it is for W in Amit. Okay, I'll use the for loop and I'll directly print it. Let me look into this. Okay, W, that's it. I'll right click and run it. Now you can see it has printed each word in my name. How? Because we use the for loop. This was our sequence. This sequence can be a list, dictionary, string. Okay, and this is our where, which we have shown before in syntax. Okay, this where is a variable that takes the value of each item inside the sequence in every iteration. So using W, we printed each and every word. In this way we can also work around for loop in Python. So guys, in this video we saw how we can work around looping in Python. Mainly while and for loops are used in Python. Thank you for watching the video.